Ladies and gentlemen, this is Coconut Andra Sukram, and this is the review for Grenada's funky chicken. Funky fried chicken. Right? Located right here in Grenada in Chef Castle, that's just opposite Wave Crest Hotel. So we're gonna open this funky fried chicken and let's see, is the chicken just like KFC and the other fast food outlets in Trinidad, or is it different and more unique in taste and looks? So as you open the box, this is a two-piece. So as you can see, this is a two-piece, right? So as you can see, the chicken is much more bigger. The breast here, this is not a breast, but it's actually a thigh. Okay? And this is a drumstick. Huge drumstick. KFC. Shame on you guys. Shame on you guys. Funky chicken has beaten you all back 100%. So we got a portion of fries, 2 pieces of chicken, right? And that's what you get in funky fried chicken in Grenada. That's what you get, right? For $14, which is really $35 converted into TT, right? Now I'm going to lay out the chicken and let you all see. And we're going to go into the flavors, the size of the chicken, and I'm going to do a taste test, tell you all how it tastes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have funky fried chicken here. So as you can see, the chicken's pieces are bigger than in Trinidad. Excellent quality and among funky fried chicken. I give you 1000% fantastic chicken and fantastic size. I've never seen chicken this big. Now as you can see for the fries, they are short but they are thick, right? As you can see, and they are sort of crispy, right? Tell you how crispy. Right. So I taste this on the fries with any condiments. The chip is a little more saltier and less dry than KFC's chips, right? So I'm gonna try some with ketchup. Let me pour some ketchup out here. Okay, so we're gonna try a chip with ketchup. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Okay, chip tastes well with ketchup. As I understand, again, it's very soft inside and not too dry. So let's dissect a fry and see what it looks like inside. So the same white potato, right? But as you can see the inside, it's soft like bread. Soft like bread. Funky chicken, great fries quality. Soft like homemade bread. So now we're gonna dissect the chicken. So this is the leg. As you can see, big, very big and nice. See all the succulent juices and spices remaining on the chicken. They have spice in original. I believe this is spicy. So as you can see, the texture of it is very light brown in color, very crispy, right? And you can see all that shining effect you're getting. That's not my camera playing tricks on you. That's the succulent juices and spices of the extravagant piece of funky fried chicken. Now we have the biggest piece, which is the thigh, that I can't believe it looks like a breast, more look like a piece of steak. This is a thigh, right? So as you can see, it's very big in size. Family of 3 could eat this, right? And you can see the fried chicken. Oh, it's just so delicious. Oh, and look, we're gonna inside, look into the chicken underneath the crust. Look at that. Just look at that. Nice soft chicken. So I'm gonna taste a piece of the crust and tell you all how it tastes. So see it there? I'm gonna taste it. It tastes really well. Like it's like KFC's original for this is something a little bit salty, but not that salty as KFC's fried chicken, right? So it has a good, well balanced taste. As you can see, the crispy outside, all the secret funky chicken herbs and spices embedded into the chicken batter. And notice that the batter remains golden brown and it has a lot of shape. I gotta try another piece. This is really well. As you part the chicken, no, don't get too hungry because you're not here. Look at that. Wow, it's amazing. White and the juices are just running out of it. Crispy, good chicken. I give this funky chicken 100. 1000. I could give it 100% good quality cooking and good fast food, right? But I give it 1000 because it's really, really amazing. The taste, the way they fry the chicken is golden brown and it maintains its shape and its herbs and spices, and the aroma is just so filling, like coffee. So this has been a review for funky fried chicken from Grenada. Do join me next time with Cooking and Andres Sukram as we review another meal. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.